Here comes the thunder, here comes the rain. I sure hope the lightning don't strike me again. Cyclones and typhoons and tornadoes too. Baby, they should name a hurricane after you. Oh, you shook me like an earthquake. There was no way out. You hit me like a flash flood. You drained me like a drought. There I was stranded in an inferno. 5-alarm fire in your volcano. Tidal wave, total eclipse. Panic on the beach. All the other planets are either dead or out of reach. And it feels like a famine, and I feel so afraid. At first I thought it was a fever, but I found out it was a plague. Here comes that thunder, here comes the rain. I sure hope that lightning don't strike me again. Cyclones and typhoons and tornadoes too. Baby, they should name